what we're going to do is we're going to go into the editor of one of your funnels, because from what I understand, you want to have two inputs, which is this and this, and then you want them to click on this so that you can submit. But then you also have a few other buttons here, and a few other places, right? Okay, and you want them to, when they click on this, it should take them back to this place here, and when they click on the rest, it should take them back to this place here. So what we're going to do is go into the funnel editor, and we're going to look for, okay, you have this, you have this, you have this to submit the page, and from what I understand, you want them to, when they click on this, it should go to a particular page, which is why you set up the Eventbrite redirect. So I'm going to scroll down and go to, good, so you've started that already. Oops. So you want, what you want to do is you want to click on this, set action, go here, scroll to row, and then you want to choose on the section that you want it to go to. So let me just go up a bit with my screen. So if you click on this, you select the section. So if this is the section you want to go to, you want to choose this. Okay, so we'll see which one is, you see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I just put it up to go to this place here. Okay, so that's not what we want to do. We want to go to not the 6th one, not the one here. We want it to go to this 2, yeah, this one, this one with 2 rows, right? So I'll go down back to here and basically just play around with it a bit. Select the one that has 2 column rows. Now we have 2 column rows, right? And then you save, you preview, and then you test it. So when someone clicks on this, it should take them to, sorry, it should take them to the one, this is 6 columns, it should take them to this one with 2, and that's where your thing is, this one. So you want to do the same thing for this one. If that's what you want to do, you want to have it go to, okay, this one you have it to go to a website URL, which is this. So when they click on this, please note that it will not save their details. If it's on go to website URL, it will just take them directly to this page, and open it in a new tab. So you can also do the same thing you did before, and if you put it on submit order, it should take you to the other page as well. But it just depends on what you want to do. So you can leave it here if you want. Same thing with here. It could be a link. At the same time, it could be the same thing that would take them back to this particular page, this particular button. Okay, so it just depends on what you want to do, but that's what to do. Just put it on the 2 column row and save and preview, and it should take you to this part of it. If it doesn't, all you have to do is just check it again, and let's go up, let's go up, let's go up, let's go up. Okay, all you have to do is just select the section between this and this, so that you can bring it back down. But I believe this should be a 2 column row. That just fix the issue. Okay, so let me know. Bye for now.